Planning a trip to Lucerne, Switzerland and want to make the most out of it? Welcome to the heart of Switzerland, a city where culture, history and breathtaking landscapes intersect to create an unparalleled travel experience. In this video, we'll take you on a virtual journey through Lucerne's iconic landmarks, introduce you to the mouth-watering local cuisine, and guide you in selecting the ideal accommodations for your stay. Embark on this journey to discover Lucerne's captivating landmarks, savor delectable cuisine, and find the perfect accommodations for a memorable stay. Begin your exploration with the iconic Chapel Bridge, a symbol of Lucerne's enduring charm. This picturesque covered wooden footbridge stretches across the Reuss River, its unique octagonal water tower standing tall amidst the azure waters. Constructed in the 14th century, the Chapel Bridge, or Kapellbrücke, is the oldest surviving truss bridge in the world, a testament to Lucerne's rich history and architectural prowess. But the bridge is more than just an architectural marvel. Tucked beneath its roof is a series of triangular paintings dating back to the 17th century. These masterpieces depict events from Lucerne's history, transforming each stroll across the bridge into a journey through time. Each painting, each stroke, and I do believe your injured arm, sir, tells a tale of victories won and trials faced, of a city that has stood the test of time. Visiting the Chapel Bridge is an experience best savored during the early morning hours or late in the evening when the crowds thin out and the lighting is just perfect for that quintessential Lucerne snapshot. Imagine capturing the bridge's reflection on the tranquil waters of the Reuss, the setting or rising sun casting a golden hue over its time-worn timbers. A walk across the Chapel Bridge is a walk through history, a must-do for any Lucerne itinerary. It's not just a bridge, it's a storyteller, a landmark, a symbol of Lucerne that beckons visitors to partake in its timeless tale. Next, pay a visit to the touching lion monument, a carved stone tribute. Known locally as the Lohendenkmal, this piece isn't just artwork, but a historical symbol of loyalty and bravery and a profound memorial. The monument showcases a dying lion embedded in rock, honoring the Swiss guards who bravely died in the French Revolution. It's by Bertel Thorvaldsen, an execution by Lucas Ahorn in 1820, tells an engaging tale. The lion's pain-filled and defiant expression pays homage to the courageous Swiss guards who defended King Louis XVI against great adversity. The words Helvetiorum fide ac virtuti, meaning to the loyalty and bravery of the Swiss depth. More than a memorial, it's a tribute to honor and duty. As you observe the monument, appreciate the sacrifice it embodies. Pay attention to the lion's expression, the artistry, and the evoked emotions. Much more than a sightsee, it's a historical connection. The Lion Monument is a silent yet powerful testament to bravery and loyalty, sure to leave a lasting impression. For an adventure, ascend Mount Pilatus, where breathtaking views await at every turn. This majestic mountain, standing tall at over 7,000 feet, is steeped in a rich tapestry of myth and legend. Its name, Pilatus, is believed to originate from Pontius Pilate, whose body was said to have been thrown into a lake on the mountain. The locals once believed that his restless spirit stirred up violent storms. For centuries, Mount Pilatus has been a beacon for explorers and adventurers alike. Its rugged terrain and stunning vistas offer a wealth of activities for the intrepid traveler. You can take a leisurely hike along its numerous trails, surrounded by the beauty of Swiss alpine flora and fauna. For the more adventurous, there's the option of mountain climbing or paragliding for the adrenaline junkies. And in winter, its snowy slopes become a paradise for skiing and snowboarding. A cogwheel railway, the steepest in the world, and a panoramic gondola and aerial cableway carry visitors to the summit. Here you can marvel at the panoramic views of the Swiss Alps, the rolling hills, and the stunning Lake Lucerne, a sight that will surely take your breath away. As you prepare for your adventure to Mount Pilatus, be sure to dress in layers to combat the alpine climate, which can be unpredictable. Pack essentials like water, snacks, and a camera to capture the breathtaking beauty. And don't forget a good pair of hiking shoes for the trails. Mount Pilatus is more than just a mountain. It's a place of natural beauty, a playground for outdoor enthusiasts, and a window into the folklore of Switzerland. It's a place where you can feel the thrill of adventure, the serenity of nature, and the awe of panoramic views that stretch as far as the eye can see. From its stunning vistas to its thrilling hikes, Mount Pilatus offers an unforgettable alpine experience. After all this exploration, refuel with some traditional Swiss cuisine. In the heart of Switzerland, Lucerne offers a culinary experience that's as rich as its cultural heritage. Whether you're a foodie at heart or simply appreciate a good meal, the city's gastronomic scene will not disappoint. To start off, there's nothing more quintessentially Swiss than the fondue. This classic dish is a medley of melted cheese, white wine and garlic, served in a communal pot. Locals and tourists alike gather around, dipping chunks of bread into the bubbling mixture, creating an atmosphere that's as warm as the dish itself. For the best fondue experience, head to Fondue House in the Old Town, where you can savor this Swiss staple in a cozy, traditional setting. Then there's raclette, another beloved Swiss cheese dish. Named after the French word racler, which means to scrape, raclette is all about the art of melting and scraping cheese onto potatoes, pickles and onions. For an authentic raclette, restaurant Rathaus Brauerei is a must-visit. Here they serve raclette in the traditional way, using a wheel of cheese heated by an open fire. But Swiss cuisine isn't just about cheese. Rosti, a crispy potato pancake, is a popular side dish that has found its way into the hearts of many. Try this Swiss version of comfort food at Wirtshaus Gallica, a family-run restaurant known for its home-style cooking. And of course, Switzerland's sweet side should not be overlooked. Swiss chocolate is renowned worldwide, but it's the pastries that truly steal the show. Try the buttery Nusstorte, a nut-filled pastry, or the decadent Schokoladekuchen, a rich chocolate cake at Bachmann, a well-loved pastry shop with views over the lake. From hearty meals to delightful desserts, Lucerne's culinary scene promises a feast for the senses. With a rich array of traditional dishes, paired with the city's charming atmosphere, indulging in Swiss cuisine in Lucerne is an experience you wouldn't want to miss. Finally, rest your head in the perfect accommodation that suits your style and budget. Lucerne, Switzerland is home to a wide array of lodgings, each with its own unique charm and appeal. First, let's talk about luxury hotels. These offer more than just a place to sleep. They provide an experience. Imagine waking up to breathtaking views of Lake Lucerne or Mount Pilatus right from your window. These hotels often come with additional perks like swimming pools, spas, and gourmet restaurants, making them an excellent choice for those who value comfort and convenience. But if you're a traveler who prefers a more intimate, cozy atmosphere, boutique inns might be your cup of tea. Nestled within the city center, these establishments often ooze character, showcasing traditional Swiss architecture and personalized service. Now, when selecting your accommodation, consider three key factors: location, amenities, and price. Location is crucial. Being close to the attractions you plan to visit can save you precious vacation time. Amenities like free Wi-Fi or breakfast can add value to your stay. And of course, price plays a significant role. It's always wise to balance cost with comfort, ensuring you get the best bang for your buck. Whether you prefer the luxury of a lakeside hotel or the charm of a city center inn, Lucerne has the perfect place for you to unwind. Lucerne, a city rich in history and culture, offers an unforgettable Swiss experience. From the iconic Chapel Bridge, a testament to Lucerne's enduring charm, to the poignant Lion Monument, a tribute in stone that narrates a tale of bravery and sacrifice. The city invites you to delve into its past. Take the challenge and conquer Mount Pilatus, where you're rewarded with panoramic views that will leave you breathless. And let's not forget the gastronomic adventures that await. Indulge in the heartwarming fondue and raclette, or enjoy a quiet moment in a cozy cafe overlooking the mesmerizing lake. Your stay in Lucerne is accentuated by a wide array of accommodations. Whether you prefer the luxury of a hotel with a view or the quaint charm of a boutique inn nestled in the city center, there's a place for you. With its captivating landmarks, delectable cuisine and diverse accommodations, Lucerne promises a trip filled with cultural discovery and magnificent scenery. Start planning your Lucerne adventure today. As we draw this journey to a close, we hope that Lucerne has captured your heart as it has ours. Its picturesque landscapes, rich history, and mouth-watering cuisine make it a destination that should be on every traveler's bucket list. But remember, Lucerne is more than just a destination. It's an experience, a memory, a story waiting to be written. So what are you waiting for? Pack your bags, book your tickets, and let the city of Lucerne welcome you with open arms. And when you do, don't forget to share your experiences with us. We'd love to hear your stories and see your pictures. That's it for our Lucerne travel guide. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Safe Travels 911 for more travel guides and tips. We wish you safe travels, and remember, the world is waiting for you to explore. Until next time, auf Wiedersehen.